I think research is a very important component in anybody's clinical practice.
Biostatistics is a branch of mathematics. I'm Shalini, a biostatistician who helps the clinicians to make the world a better place.
Healthcare research is not just about numbers, surveys, questionnaire, or clinical data. It's also about patients' experience and narrative stories.
The researcher needs to know how to approach qualitative research, as it is an important methodology that allows the researcher to gain in-depth insights into an illness or disease.
Research is about continuous search for a solution to unsolved problem. I believe in collaborative research and try to encourage colleagues to collaborate with local, national or international researchers.
I think it is important that we understand the principles on how to look for evidence within our own practice and have a little story that we can tell. And that is the whole purpose of conducting research. I hope you find this workshop useful for you and you'll be able to use it daily in your practice. Thank you and enjoy this course.